Hello guys, good day. Welcome to my channel. It's been quite a while. I uploaded a video here. In this video I have tried a point of view of a short drive on my Honda City. So I'm using my SJCAM SJ8 Pro for this. It is recording 1080p 30 frames per second with gyro off. So I have mounted the camera on the headband to get a realistic first-person view of the drive. So to tell you about this beautiful road, it is in Coimbatore, and this place is near the Tamil Nadu and Kerala border. It is called Anaikatti. This place is called Anaikatti, and it's near the Western Ghats. Actually, you can see beautiful dense forest over the valleys all around. And since this road kind of runs through the forest, it's prone to wild elephants coming on the roads at times. Actually, the security at the ashram where I stayed, he was saying that there will be elephants crossing at least once in a day. They used to sight elephants at least once in a day. Mostly the elephant, it's a single elephant that they spot, what they said. So it's early morning now, about 40 minutes past 6. The sun is just peeping out, and I hope I would not have an encounter today with the elephant, hopefully. It's kind of the road is kind of not much used this time of the day. You can see it's kind of lonely. Well, to tell you about the camera, SJ8 Pro is for sure a GoPro killer. At about half price of GoPro Hero 6, this one offers 4K at 60 frames per second, and it also has the electronic image stabilization even in 4K, just like the Hero 6. Unlike Hero 6, SJCAM is not waterproof without an external casing, so you cannot take this camera and jump into the pool just like that. That's not recommended. And this particular camera SJ8 comes in 3 models: SJ8 Air, SJ8 Plus and SJ8 Pro. The one I'm using is the SJ8 Pro, which is the top of the lineup. I shall leave a link in the description for all the models. And and all of these models comes in 2 different packages. One is a small package that has only the camera, Type-C cable and user manual, while the bigger pack comes with standard accessories like the waterproof casing, some mounts and double tapes and few other stuff for about $20-30 extra. So to tell you the price, like SJ8 Air is about $100, the Plus is about $200, and the Pro is about $290. And I bought this from gearbus.com and got this delivered within 10 days, and it costed me about $255 after the coupon that I used for the early pre-order discounts. So I'll just speed up this video just a little and let you experience the point of view, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.